Hello again. Today we'll explore the Baric Tablets, a subtle yet powerful sensorial material that helps children distinguish weight using only their sense of touch. These tablets look similar, but each set carries a different weight. Prepare the environment carefully. Place a soft cloth on the table to remove sound clues and invite quiet focus. Invite the child gently. Would you like to feel the Baric tablets? Close your eyes or look away. Hold one tablet in each hand, palms facing upward, arms relaxed and level. Pause. Notice the difference. Say softly, "This one feels heavier." Invite the child to try. Allow silence. Let the hands do the listening. Gradually introduce tablets that feel closer in weight. Invite the child to find matching pairs through balance alone. Children are fascinated by the quiet challenge. The control of error is internal. An incorrect match simply feels off. Baric tablets teach sensitivity and stillness, helping children listen not with their ears, but with their hands.